My name is Viradhar Siddharth. Today date is 16th April 2022. Today's topic is difference between Java and JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language and is used to make web pages interactive. It can insert dynamic text into HTML. JavaScript is also known as the browsers of language. JavaScript is not similar or related to Java. Both the languages of have C-like syntax and widely used in the client side and server side web application. But there are few similarities only. Features of JavaScript. JavaScript was created in the first place of DOM manipulation. In earlier websites were mostly static. After JS was created in dynamic web websites in the were made. Functioning JS. JS are objects in there are may have properties and methods just like another objects. They can be passed as arguments in the other functions. Can handle and date and time. Performs form validation. Although the forms of created using HTML, no compiler in needed. In Java, Java is a object-oriented programming language and as virtual machine platform that allows you to create compiled program that run on nearly every platform. Java promised write once in written anywhere. Uh, Features of Java platform independent. Compiler converts source code to bytecode and then the JVM executed the bytecode generated by the compiler. This bytecode can run on any platform. Object oriented language. There are four uh, in the OOFs concept in abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Simple in that Java is one of the simple language as does not have complex features like pointers, operators, overloading, and multiple inheritance. Explicit memory allocation. Secure. Secure in Java is a don't have a pointer and we cannot access out of bound arrays. That is shows array out of bound exception in we try do disturb distributed. We can create distributed application using the Java programming language. A remote method of invocation and enterprise the Java beans the use of creating distributed application in Java. Multi-threading. Multi-threading supports it is a Java features that allows to concurrent execution of two or more parts of the program for maximum utilization. And forms CPU in which the next is upon the object in which the creator of Java. Java is strongly typed in the lang and be declared of the but two and Java the Java is object oriented programming language and this is Java application can run in any virtual machine JVM or browser. Objects can Java is the features of one or cannot be made in a program. In Java method creating a class. Java program has the execution of Java in which threading the which are executed by the JVM Java virtual machine. Java is the standardized language in which Java has thread based and approach concurrency. Java supports the multi-threading. JavaScript is a widely typed of the language in this more relevant of the syntax and rules. JavaScript are object based supporting language. JavaScript are a code used to the browser and row in the column of server notepad. JavaScript objects in base. JavaScript is a file and the based in that confined within the page on the integration of this HTML containment. JavaScript has been the approach to the concurrency. JavaScript does not support to the multi-threading. And next is Java, in which supporting typed of language and virtual, that the basically in that the program in the Java type of virtual machine in that program. Thank you.